Everything you need to know about affiliate marketing. Whether you are new to affiliate marketing or not, you will appreciate solid and reliable information about affiliate marketing. There is always something new to learn about this ever-changing industry. In this video you will find multiple tips and information to help you along your way. Certain affiliate marketing programs pay off when website visitors go to an advertiser's site and take action. Typically registering or providing contact information, these pay-for-sign-up programs pay better than pay-per-click setups, although of course the webmaster will not see as many payments as he or she would with pay-per-click. Nevertheless, the higher pay makes these programs attractive to many website owners. When it comes to affiliate marketing, you need to know your audience. You need to understand your readers' needs and what they may be looking for when they come to the site. Make sure that the ads you post are things that your audience would be interested in, or they will not click on them. When writing copy for affiliate marketing advertising, make it easy for your reader to draw out the information they want. Avoid complicated terms or technical jargon, keep your paragraph short, and use bullet points whenever possible. Readers are more likely to scan your review quickly and make a decision than they are to read through a lengthy video. To be paid fairly, check if the affiliate marketing program you joined keeps their statistics up to date. Good statistics should tell you how many people visited the website, how many of them bought something, and how many of these sales you are responsible for. If the numbers do not seem right, perhaps the program is hiding information from you. In conclusion, there is a lot to learn about affiliate marketing, but don't make the mistake of thinking that you need to know everything before you can take action. That'll never happen. Just master the basics and then discipline to apply the fundamentals to your efforts. Then, keep adding to your store of knowledge. Make the time to try some of the suggestions in this video. Now that you got a clear idea about what affiliate marketing is, are you ready to start affiliate marketing for 100% free? Today, you can stop being a wantrepreneur to become a real entrepreneur. Click the link in the description to be taken step by step on the journey of becoming an expert in affiliate marketing. Imagine where you would have been if you took this step a year or a few months ago. Every journey starts by taking the first step. You are opportune to start today for 100% free. Take the right step and click the link in the description.